Here's another product that I've been hearing a lot of people talk about. It actually looks like it's pretty promising. It is called HoneyBook, and they also have a free 7-day trial that you can sign up. So I had just signed in here and quickly started creating started playing around with it, started creating a project. So it works pretty similar to 17 Hats, where you can put in clients and leads, and basically things run off of projects. So they treat like a client consult more like a project. So if you have a consulting business and you want to bring somebody in for a 6-week consulting, so to speak, and when you first log in here, it just has you kind of walk through these steps of, setting up your templates, getting ready to accept payments, upload any contracts, things like that that you have. And then once you have it in there, when you go to projects, again, similar to the other site, it just gives you a different view. It walks you through, it has some preset workflows. So starting with the inquiry, follow up, the initial consultation, proposal sent, contract, retainer, in progress, and so forth. And you can add to these or take these away, just whatever steps in your workflow when you get a client or whatever your process is. And then the very last thing is you could archive. So you could complete a project and then you could further archive it. And then down here, I had just created a couple of quick little tests. And again, it might seem a little strange to think about your clients, if you're doing coaching and consulting, to think of them like a project. But basically, just think of it, anything that has a start and an end date, it is a project. So even if you're working with individuals and you're doing consulting, it is a project. You're taking them from A to Z. And so here, I have 2 projects or 2 clients, and it just walks you through how to do that. So again, just another option. If you're looking around, want to play around with it, you might want to do some reading and research about HoneyBook. And again, I just have heard a lot about it and just wanted to jump in here. It looks like it'd be very easy to set up. So I'll see you in the next video.